Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how you can use ElevenLabs to create professional voiceovers. Perfect for YouTube videos, tutorials, commercials, presentations, or basically any content that needs a clear, engaging voice. If you've ever wanted a fast, cost-effective way to produce high-quality voiceovers without recording yourself or hiring expensive talent, this video is for you. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe if you want more tips on using AI for content creation. So, why ElevenLabs? First, the voices sound incredibly realistic. We're talking smooth, natural sounding narration that captures tone, pacing, and even emotion. No more robotic, monotonous text to speech. You just paste your script, pick a voice from their library, or even clone your own voice if you want that personal touch. The AI produces consistent narration from start to finish, which is key for keeping your audience engaged. Another big plus: speed and flexibility. Let's say you need to tweak a line in your script or try a different tone. With ElevenLabs, you can regenerate your voiceover in minutes. No more recording multiple takes or rebooking voice talent. It's a total time saver, especially if you're producing content regularly. Customization is also amazing. You can adjust pitch, tone, and emphasis to fit the vibe of your content. Maybe energetic and upbeat for a promotional video, calm and clear for a tutorial, or conversational for storytelling. And if your project has multiple characters or sections, you can assign different voices to make it more dynamic and fun for your audience. Now, a couple of tips for the best results. Make sure your script is clean and error-free, because the AI reads exactly what you write. Check the pronunciation of names, technical terms, or unusual words, and always preview the audio to ensure the pacing and emotion feel right. While AI voiceovers are super realistic, mixing in visuals, music, or even a few human voice segments can make your content even more engaging. Here's a quick workflow. Write a polished script. Choose a suitable voice or clone one to match your content style. Generate the audio, review for clarity and tone, then sync it with your video or project. That's it. You get professional sounding voiceovers fast without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe for more AI tools, voiceover tips, and content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.